me and Jonathan bought these blind bags, and I'm gonna open this one up right now. He got 2 of the video game ones, and I got 2 of the 90s ones. Let's see what's in one of them, because I'm too excited. Holy dick! It's Harry Potter. There's Hagrid. I think it's some post-it notes. We got a Hogwarts patch. That's neat. Is it all Harry Potter? It's all Harry Potter. There's 2 mystery pins, or a mystery pin with 2 pin backs. Oh man, what's that bird's name? What's the bird they save in The Prisoner of Azkaban's name? That's who. Buckbeak. That's his name. Buckbeak. So this one is, I guess, I'm glad I bought 2 of them. We thought maybe they could be all the same thing in them, but we took a chance and bought more than one. And I knew this was a necklace. It's a, oh nope, it might be a necklace. It's slithering these draws, dog. Now I want to open the other one. Is that it? Hear that?
Hear that?
Hear that?
Hear that?
You hear it?
You hear that? They're still saran wrapped.
How about that?
No, that's it. Alright, we're gonna open the other one. Ah! Bag number 2. Oh. I thought it was 90s. Just pop culture. I don't like anime. I thought these were 90s. They're pop culture. I have no idea what that is. It's an air freshener. Some anime dude. Yokai Watch. Rage. Rage Cage. Some sort of coaster maybe of a rose is what it looks like. Jernigan might know what all this is. Alright, this is pretty cool. It's a Yumi, but it's the Ouija eyepiece. And then we got, what is this from, Jernigan?
That's from Randy. It's a sign. Call it a swing blade.
Some people call it a Kaiser blade. I call it a sling blade.
So I've taken the Kaiser blade. Some folks call it a sling blade. I call it a Kaiser blade.
But yeah, I mean, that's pretty cool. There's something else in here. Is it another piece of that scythe? It's another piece of that scythe. You make it longer. Some people call it a Kaiser blade. I call it a sling blade. Alright, that's what we got.